Alright, well, I am testing a new camera body, well, a used camera body that I picked up to replace the Kodak Z990, and also attempting to make a video about the new project. So, a friend of mine found a sewing machine for free on some website that she frequents all the time, so I guess it's time to open it up and take a quick look at it, but I think this is going to be real far away because this camera is about 10 feet from the that table right now, so we'll do some experimentation with this camera and then probably end up making a new video about the sewing machine, but well, that's the Sears Kenmore sewing machine, and it is real locked up. So I guess I'll move this camera. Okay, so this machine is pretty locked up. These knobs are turning, but when I turn the wheel here, oh, it's very tight. That's what's going on. Alright, well, definitely going to have to open that up and take a look then. It's one of the all-metal underneaths, so there's that. That must be the reverse button there. That appears stuck. It's also got a hole in the top for a cam stack, and there's no cam in there, so I don't know what's going on with that. There's a piece that's loose in here, so I think first things first, we're going to have to pull that out of the table and get it inside of the work area.